So I realized that I had neglected to go over the middle ear and the ossicles within it on the previous two videos. So I'm just going to scan from superior to inferior in e-anatomy here on this petrous bone CT scan. And we're coming into the internal auditory canal. And just when you get to the level of the cochlea, you're going to see the head of the malleus, the body of the incus, and the posterior limb of the stapes here. So it goes from lateral to medial, malleus, incus, and stapes, from lateral to medial. They're just superior to the tympanic membrane and medial to the tympanic membrane. So there's a tympanic membrane here. So they sit superior to that and then also a little bit medial as well. And then I'm going to show that to you on coronal slices. So let's take a look at that. And I'm going from anterior to posterior, so you're already into the head of the malleus here. And as we go more posterior, you're going to see the body of the incus. Oops, I just passed that. Sorry, there you go, the body of the incus here. And then more posterior to that, you see the head of the stapes. So stapes is most medial, and then the incus, and then the head of the malleus there, medial to lateral. And then there is the tympanic membrane.